Washington, once months of tamping down demand legal instrument, House Speaker Nancy Pelosi declared Tuesday that she's on board, a move that would upend Donald Trump's presidency simply barely a year out from the 2020 election. Today I am asserting the House of Representatives is moving forward with an officer legal instrument inquiry, the Speaker told reporters once meeting with the Democratic caucus Tuesday afternoon. Pelosi aforementioned she is going to direct 6 House committees to analyze Trump under that umbrella of legal instrument inquiry. The president should be command responsible, nobody is on top of the law. While the Judiciary Committee has already begun associate in nursing legal instrument investigation, Pelosi declared that the Intelligence, Foreign Affairs, Oversight, Ways that and suggests that, and Money Services committees can currently formally be part of them in a very broader inquiry. The committee's investigation is simply a primary step toward legal instrument. A majority of the complete House would still got to vote on articles of legal instrument so as to charge Trump. The Senate is then accountable for holding associate in nursing legal instrument trial, however Republicans' area unit unlikely to pursue one. Pelosi's announcement comes amid reports that Trump withheld aid from state and pressured its president to analyze former VP Joe Biden's family previous the 2020 election. Trump's reaction to the announcement, predictably, was a series of tweets sent from Trump Tower as Pelosi spoke and within the minutes once. In one, he wrote that Democrats purposely had to ruin and demean his important day at the World Organization with a lot of breaking news witch hunt garbage. He additionally noted that Democrats hadn't however seen a transcript of his decision with the Ukrainian president. Democrats' electronic communication on legal instrument has been muzzy in recent weeks. The Judiciary Committee has begun the formal method of fitting associate in nursing legal instrument investigation, and plenty of its members have argued since Gregorian calendar month that the home is already an associate in nursing inquiry stage. Whereas Pelosi had backed those efforts, she resisted demand legal instrument. More than 100 associate in nursing at 70 Democrats have embarked in support of an legal instrument inquiry as of Tuesday afternoon, as well as several members in additional conservative districts. Their support for the live perceived to finally sway Pelosi. UN agency has argued for months that the House cannot pursue associate in nursing inquiry while not having all the facts and has publicly disturbed legal instrument would be too dissentious and will lose Democrats their majority. CNN reportable Tuesday afternoon that Pelosi was encouraging her members to state their positions on associate in nursing inquiry currently, so as to create it clear to the general public that there's a groundswell of support within the caucus. Pelosi additionally reportedly aforementioned she believes currently that the Yankee public understands the difficulty. Several Democratic presidential contenders have declared or revived demand Trump to be impeached because the state story has unpleaded, and plenty of the Speaker's allies declared their support for associate in nursing inquiry Tuesday previous Pelosi's own announcement. "We cannot delay, we tend to should not wait. Now's the time to act," Representative John Lewis of Georgia aforementioned on the House floor. "I are patient as we tend to tried each alternative path and used each alternative tool. I actually believe the time to start legal instrument proceedings against this president has returned." While the complete story regarding Trump's recent call with Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky remains unclear, on Monday, The Washington Post reportable that Trump place a hold on $400 million in aid to the country within the days before the decision. Once the two leaders did speak, Trump reportedly pushed for data on Biden's son, Hunter Biden. UN agency had a seat on the board of a Ukrainian fossil fuel company. Notably, Biden is presently leading the Democratic primary field. The House and Senate are operating to induce data associated with a whistleblower's criticism, that is reportedly associated with Trump's interactions with state, however are stymied by the Trump administration. Pelosi additionally declared that the House can hold a vote Wednesday to formally condemn Trump's makes an attempt to dam Congress from getting the criticism. The Senate passed a similarly non-binding resolution Tuesday afternoon requesting a replica of the whistleblower's criticism. Moreover, Trump tweeted Tuesday that he had ordered the complete, totally unclassified and unredacted transcript of my phone spoken language with President Zelensky of Ukraine to be free on Wednesday. "You can see it absolutely was a awfully friendly and whole applicable decision. No pressure and, not like Joe Biden and his son, no quid professional quo," he wrote. But Democrats were fast to mention that cathartic the transcript wasn't enough, and shortly once Trump's announcement, Intelligence Committee Chair Adam Schiff created associate in nursing announcement of his own, locution on Twitter that the source that originally raised considerations regarding the decision wished to talk to the committee and has requested steering from the acting director of national intelligence regarding a way to do therefore. We're involved with counsel and appearance forward to the whistleblower's testimony as presently as on, Schiff wrote. Trump has gone back and forth publicly statements regarding the decision. He acknowledged that he mentioned Biden with Zelensky, however denied that he had offered to unharness aid funds for the country in exchange for data. I place no pressure on them any, he told reporters. I might have. I feel it might in all probability, presumably are okay if I did, however I did not. I did not place any pressure on them any. On Tuesday morning, however, the Big Apple Times reportable that Trump did acknowledge holding up aid funds for the country, however aforementioned it absolutely was as a result of European countries haven't paid their share of aid to state. Democratic demands for documents and testimony from Trump branch officers, et al. Round the President Area Unit nearly sure to face legal challenges. Two House committees, Judiciary and Ways that and suggests that area unit already tangling in court with Trump and his administration over access to the president's money records moreover as documents from former special counsel Henry Martin Robert Mueller's investigation. Those fights predate the source issue that prompted Pelosi's announcement on Thursday, however in asserting the discharge of jury materials from the Mueller probe, the Judiciary Committee told a Choose in Gregorian calendar month that it absolutely was a part of a preliminary legal instrument investigation. Try other relevant tools: plagiarism checker, grammar checker, spell checker.